Or is a coordinating conjunction that shows choice or alternative. It connects two options where you pick one from two or more possibilities. Use or when presenting alternatives like selecting between different things. The basic structure uses subject plus verb or subject plus verb. Both sides of or must be complete ideas that can stand alone. For example, you can go or you can stay connects two complete actions with equal importance. Or appears in everyday questions like tea or coffee, red or blue shirt, today or tomorrow. These show simple choices between two options. Notice or always presents alternatives of equal value. Common choices include coffee or tea, bus or train, pizza or pasta, walk or drive, or connects everyday decisions we make constantly. Each option stands alone as a complete thought. Full sentences follow the pattern. I want tea or coffee. We can go now or later. She will call or text me. Or joins two independent clauses that could each be separate sentences. Or works in negative sentences too. I don't like tea or coffee means neither option appeals. He can't sing or dance shows lack of ability in both areas. The pattern stays subject plus verb or subject plus verb. Questions use or for choices. Tea or coffee asks for preference between options. Now or later seeks timing decision. Here are their asks about location preference. Or always shows alternative choices.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.